Whether you run a tutoring business, language school, or online coaching program, managing your classes and bookings can feel like a juggling act. But what if there was a smarter, simpler way? SimplyBook.me is the ultimate booking platform designed to take the stress out of scheduling, payments, and student management, so you can focus on what matters most, teaching and growing your business. SimplyBook.me streamlines your entire workflow with a professional booking system that works for both in-person and online education services. Let students book classes anytime, anywhere. No more back and forth emails. SimplyBook.me keeps your schedule updated in real time. Reduce no-shows with automatic email, SMS, and WhatsApp reminders. Your students stay informed, your schedule running smoothly. Collect secure payments with integrated payment gateways. Whether you offer single sessions or subscription plans, SimplyBook.me handles it all. Teaching online? Connect SimplyBook.me with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet for seamless virtual classes. Stand out with a professional booking website or integrate our booking widget directly into your school's website. SimplyBook.me is perfect for tutoring services and after-school programs, language schools and music lessons, online coaching and training programs, universities and continuing education courses. Ready to take your education service to the next level? Start your free trial today and see how SimplyBook.me can help you teach more, stress less, and grow your business.